You know when you see some dumb statistics on social media, and you know, say they're just trying to push this dumb narrative into people's heads. So I think within like the last year or something like that, the Metropolitan Police have recruited about 1,500 new police officers, yeah? Now obviously, Metropolitan Police, they serve London, yeah? But out of those 1,500 new police officers, they're saying only 57 of them are black. So apparently that's 3%. But they're saying, how can this be? Because in London, 13% of the population are black people. So the numbers aren't adding up. It's not tallying up. But what these idiots fail to realise is that most of the Metropolitan Police Force are from outside of London. Hertfordshire, Essex, Kent, Bromley, Surrey, all these kind of places and that. And if you know anything about demographics outside of London, you will know, say, that these places, these counties and that, Hertfordshire, Essex, fucking Bromley, Surrey and all these places outside of London, you will know, say, that these places have hardly any black people. Literally, like, obviously, man, I don't know the statistics on those areas, but I know those areas, black people are the minority in those areas. So how the fuck can they expect most of the police force, or how can they expect the new recruits to tally up with the population? So they're basically saying, well, if we've had 1,500 new recruits in, then at least, let's just throw a number in, and 10% of 1,500 is 150. We should have at least 150 new black police officers. What they fail to realise is, where's the workforce coming from? The workforce is coming from outside of London, areas where there's hardly any black people. This is what you call like fake news, trying to push a narrative. And I didn't even bother going through the comments on this Facebook post, because I know it's going to be bare bullshit and that. But I can't stand when I see this false news and they're trying to push numbers out there. Just like this coronavirus thing with these stupid, oh yeah, they've had 1,000 deaths within the last couple of days. Yeah, all coronavirus and that. Hold on a minute. If you were diagnosed with coronavirus and, you know, you die of brain bleeding or something like that, it's a COVID death. What the fuck? Come on, man. I got a fucking call now, innit? So I'm gonna have to bust out. So I got a phone call, so I have to come off the phone and keep it moving, innit? Sometimes they come out with these statistics and throw these numbers in people's faces. And although it's true, it does slightly distort reality. I'll give you a prime example. If a man said to you, what do you think the top 2 most spoken, most popular languages are in the world? You say, alright, yeah, boom, must be Spanish, because most of them Latino countries in South America, most of them speak Spanish, yeah? And then, yeah, probably English next, followed by probably French, yeah? Think again. So yeah, English, that's number 1. But you know what number 2 is? Not French, not Spanish, not Dutch, not German. Mandarin Chinese. I mean, China, they have a fucking population of what? 2 or 3 billion or something mad like that. So of course, you're gonna have 1 billion people in the world that speak fucking Mandarin Chinese. But that don't make it popular. We go to any country, apart from China, obviously, and walk past 1,000 people in the street, and hardly any of them will be able to speak Mandarin Chinese. Does that make it popular? No. Speaking of walking past people in the street, they say in the UK, the average height of a male is 5'9". That's bullshit. I'm 5'9", and I walk past man in the street, and most men have 2 or 3 inches on me. They say in the UK, the average height of a woman is 5'3". That's bullshit. When I walk past most women are 1 or 2, maybe 3 inches shorter than me. When I walk past women in the street, I ain't looking over every woman's fucking head. So let them throw these fucking statistics in your face and distort reality in it, because it's just not the case sometimes, man. Yeah, man. Keep it moving now.